Hi, we're here to talk about one of our new machines we just developed here at Jetwave. What we've got here with us at the moment is a machine that produces hot cold pressure wash under a standalone system that's driven by a Yanmar diesel engine. On this particular occasion, the customers required a machine that has a 5,000 litre water cartage tank on a main common rail beam system, sub-base frame, which has been hot galv dipped to allow them to pick up the whole machine as one, whether it be full or empty of water. This particular frame that we're looking at here has got engineered approved drawings and has been built to a standard such that, like I said, it can be picked up full capacity of water, which is going to give us a combined total weight of approximately over 6 tonne. We'll run through some of the features of the machine. What makes this one a little bit more unique to some of the other systems that we've made is that this particular customer required to have 2 operators running at one time. A lot of other people will tend to try to run 2 operators out of the one pump and try to make it a cheaper option for a cleaning system like that. That is fraught with danger in the fact that from a nozzling point of view and the bypass valve point of view, from being stressed from sharing the load of one pump to 2 guns, is not the way we like to do it at Jetwave. On this particular occasion, we have chosen to go for a bigger horsepower output Yanmar diesel, and allows us to belt drive 2 pumps, so that each pump, which is putting out 4,000 psi at 21 litres a minute, both feeds 1 into a hose reel each, so you can allow you to have 1 or 2 operators working simultaneously, both achieving an even 4,000 psi at 21 litres per minute without stressing out the pumps, bypass valve or the engine. With this particular machine, you see it's fully enclosed in the removable safety mesh guarding, and to comply to the mine's requirements, this machine's been fitted with battery and isolator lockout switches, which in this particular occasion are Caterpillar branded switches, and also we have the jump start connector, which is also Caterpillar branded as required for the customer. Some of the features we're looking at is water filtration. The water supply on the mine site isn't necessarily the best, and they are well aware of that, so as a result of that we've put in additional removable cartridge filters, which are easy to access through the panelling here on the side, and removable and washable cartridge filters. As we made mention before, it is a dual operator machine. We've supplied hose reels here with locking pins in place. That this particular machine's got 30 metres of high pressure hose on hose reels. These particular hoses have a capacity of 60 metres should it be required. And we've put in place on the control panel, easy to use, easy to access. It's got the emergency stop, which is factory fitted by Yanmar in factory. The isolators that we already talked about, and inside the main control box is your ignition start and digital readout on the panel, which gives you the digital readout of your RPM. It also has your timer for the working hours of the motor, and also has the readouts for any shutdown features that are on the system for loose belts, coolant as such, and oil pressures. Underneath the main control box we've got the on-off system for the hot cold pressure wash. So we have burner system number 1 and number 2. So it is a cold water pressure wash until such time as you actually activate the burner system to on and dial in your thermostat to your working temperature. More often than not, even though it's got 150 degrees C on the dial, most commonly we would operate this machine about 85-90 degrees C. The pumps that we use in these systems are Italian built. They're Novi Verbri pumps. Like I said, they're producing 4,000 psi at 21 litres per minute, and these are with full ceramic pistons, stainless steel valves, and the nickel coated brass pump head. This particular unit's been fitted with a 80 litre diesel fuel tank, which supplies directly obviously fuel to the engine and to the 2 burner systems for the hot water cycle. On this particular frame we have the main sub-base frame, which I said, which is engineered, approved and designed, and our sub-base frame of the pressure cleaner is mounted here on these heavy-duty vibration rubbers for vibration control. And one of the main points to design this machine from a service point of view, if they ever wanted to separate from the main sub-base frame, it's as simple as undoing the 4 nuts on the rubbers, and the whole unit can be dispatched away from the main sub-base frame. Easy to fill access point on the framework here. Again, safety requirements for guarding around the entire machine has been required, but of course access points to get to the main access points, of course, being the fuel filters, fuel fill up, and then the water filters, and of course the main control box. We've got two COV type filters here for easy access again, easy to clean and maintain. You can see what's going on. Both fuel filters are there in place for fuel delivery into the burner system. We have the Rapid Spray 5,000 litre cartridge tank with baffle system in it. Again, hard mounted down on the engineered approved design frame. And we've got the big 2-inch ball valve here for quick release dump system.